That was actually a really good sound effect. What the heck? And
Fucking spin the wheel. Fucking
that was way too good. What the heck?
car, a plane, a fucking motorcycle, all the fucking same. If you're wanting to do one specific engine, like sound.
Dude, what the hell?
In flyby. Fucking.
Oh my, you even got like the gear change in there, like the. Oh my gosh.
Like a fucking 40 roll.
Dude, you're crazy. That is crazy.